Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm pleased to say we have now received the Swift Elegance Grande 850 2021 model onto site with some fantastic new features and a real development from the 2020 model. One of the most popular models in 2020. We sold out of this model very quickly. So an opportunity to get a fantastically well-spec'd, top-of-the-range caravan at a great price by coming to Grantham Caravans. Here is a good look at that particular caravan. So 8-foot wide twin axle caravan with a rear island bed, centre bathroom and an L-shaped front lounge. Generous sized front locker box there in the carbon fibre finish, benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, also coming with 2 Alco secure wheel locks, an onboard water tank and a mini waste master as some of the standard specifications in the Grande range. New refreshed decals that you see there for 2021 in the Grande range. You've got an exterior side access hatch to underneath the front couch, exterior barbecue point and exterior 240-volt socket. Stepping inside the caravan, a very generous amount of space. So a nice kitchen, large kitchen work surface with work surface extension. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric and a combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. Also benefiting from an easy usable height microwave and storage located above the kitchen area and an illuminated diamond effect splashback with the stainless steel sink. Omnivent in the kitchen area to take away some of those cooking smells or bring in some ambient temperature during some of our hot summer months. New for 2021 is this 2-tone locker finish that you see here, which really offsets away fantastically well against the chosen fabric scheme for 2021, which you see here. Also in the Elegance range, you're benefiting from the completely woodless construction method, thereby giving you a lifetime water ingress warranty. So real peace of mind that you're purchasing a high quality, top of the range caravan. Panoramic sunroof located at the front, covered with a bit of snow at the moment with the time of the year, with a generous Hecky light letting a huge amount of space into this particular caravan. On the other side, you've got a stringer panel located here, so you can either pop a television on the sideboard or mount a TV bracket onto the stringer panel for a TV for a great cinematic experience in this very spacious L-shaped front lounge. That 2-tone wood effect that you see there going throughout. You've got the Swift Command system located above the habitation door. So you can download an app called Swift Command, control your caravan whilst in it via Bluetooth, or control it at a distance using the GPRS. Also benefiting from the Alder wet central heating system in this particular model. A couple of unique cupboards as you step inside, so further storage, and a very generous sized large tall fridge freezer with storage located both above and below. High quality of finish on the central bathroom door that you see there with the chrome finish and that cream just matching the finish on the cupboards. So stepping into the centre of the caravan, you've got a generous sized vanity mirror, storage located underneath. Your Thetford toilet tucked away with your sink. You've got an additional vanity mirror and a tucked away mirror there as well, with storage located above and a medium sized Hecky light, just giving a fantastic amount of light in the bathroom area. A very large individual shower cubicle with water saving shower head. Your Alder heater in the central bathroom area and then also running down the vents that you see there. Matching headboard and that 2-tone locker effect that you see in the bedroom area. And you've also got mirrors on either side, again creating a fantastic feeling of space. A very generous size large rear island bed that you see here, plenty of space down each side. And you have also got a second television point located in the bedroom area. Further storage in this particular model is located underneath the bed that you see here, and that's the full set of carpets and the mini waste master that I was telling you about earlier, but ample amount of storage under there to put your various amenities that you'll need to take away in the caravan with you. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what the Elegance Grande 850 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please contact our friendly sales team. We're more than happy to help you. If you'd like us to take you on an individual one-to-one live video tour on this model, again, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to facilitate that for you. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.